Hey there, Sandeep here from Growth Hackers. Welcome back to episode 3 of Marketing Experiments That Actually Work. This month has been intense. We ran some of our most data-heavy experiments yet, from Google Shopping optimizations that cut costs in half, to meta creative tests that delivered 154% more conversions, to some surprising social media hacks that are boosting reach without spending a dime. And we're sharing all of it with you today. Here's what you'll walk away with: 6 experiments with real results and the exact steps to replicate them. 5 insights that will shift how you think about attribution, SEO, and platform algorithms. New tools we just discovered that are making waves in AI video and presentation creation. So let's dive in. Section 1. Experiments that delivered. Experiment number 1. Google Shopping. Negative keywords slashed CPA by 48%. This one's a game changer. We ran a 98-day test on Google Shopping campaigns and the results were crystal clear. Quality beats quantity. By excluding irrelevant keywords from search term reports, we delivered 142.9% more conversions at 48.2% lower cost, despite reducing click volume by 34.8%. The conversion rate surged 278.9%, proving that fewer, high-intent clicks dramatically outperform high-volume, low-quality traffic. Why it worked? Negative keywords eliminated wasted spend on irrelevant searches, freeing budget for qualified buyers. Better targeting improved conversion rates, which compounds into stronger quality scores and a 10.3% ROAS improvement. Try it like this. Conduct weekly search term audits and aggressively prune irrelevant queries. Add negatives at campaign or ad group level for immediate impact. Monitor weekly for compounding efficiency and profitability gains. Quick question: when was the last time you audited your search terms? Drop a comment and let me know if you're doing this weekly or monthly. Experiment number 2. Performance Max. Competitor audience targeting delivered 17 times ROAS. Alright, this one blew our minds. We ran a 98-day test targeting competitor audiences in Performance Max campaigns. The results? 48% lower CPA, 272% higher ROAS, and a 1,125% increase in conversion rate. But here's where it gets interesting. We split it into 2 campaigns. Campaign 1 targeted established, saturated competitors, delivered 6 times ROAS post-learning phase. Campaign 2 targeted emerging, less saturated competitors, drove 180% higher ROAS at 17 times. Overall, we spent 74% less for equivalent value. The key driver? Search theme diversity across 5 major competitors. By building competitor-specific themes, we unlocked audiences that were already in market and ready to convert. How to replicate this? Campaign 1. 1P Max campaign targeting saturated or established competitors. Campaign 2. Separate PMax campaign targeting less saturated or emerging competitors. Build competitor-specific search themes across multiple targets. Scale. Cut low performers, boost winners, and expand the framework across accounts. Now I'm curious, are you currently targeting competitor audiences in your campaigns? Comment yes or not yet below. Let's see who's already doing this. Experiment number 3. Meta ads. Human elements in creatives. Cut CPA by 61%. Here's a simple but powerful finding. Including products with human elements makes them more relatable for consumers than product-only creatives. We ran a 111-day test and delivered 61% lower CPA, 18% higher ROAS, and 154% more conversions per $100 spent, despite minimal budget allocation. These creatives generated above-proportional conversions, 2.3% of total conversions with only 0.9% of spend. The takeaway? Products shown with human hands holding or using them outperform sterile product-only shots. Try it yourself. Primary creative. Show products with human hands holding or using them instead of product-only shots. Test small budget allocation first, then scale winners. Rotate human elements across top-performing ad sets. Experiment number 4. Instagram trial reels boost non-follower reach. This is a newer feature that's showing real promise. Trial reels on dormant accounts show clear increases in non-follower reach compared to regular reels. Platforms push them harder into discovery feeds to test audience response. We're still monitoring for consistency through the end of February, but early results are strong. How to test this? Create 3 to 5 trial reels weekly on low activity accounts. Use trending audio and hooks in the first 3 seconds. Monitor accounts reached in insights for non-follower lift. Scale to your main account once the pattern confirms. Experiment number 5. Social media VPN location strategy. Here's an unconventional one. Turning on a VPN to match your target audience's location while posting and engaging sends a geographic signal to platforms. This often gives an initial visibility boost within that region, and you'll see see more interactions from typically less active audience segments there. Content relevance still drives long-term success, but location matching works as a smart supporting tactic. Try it like this. Install a reliable VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Set location to your primary target region before creating or posting content. Engage, like, and comment from the same VPN location for 30 to 60 minutes post-publish. Track regional impressions and analytics to measure lift. Alright, real talk, have you ever tried using a VPN to boost regional reach? Comment, tried it or never thought of that below. I want to know if this is new to you or if you're already ahead of the game. Easy comment CTAs, the simple social hack. Here's a dead simple tactic that's driving higher engagement. Replacing vague organic CTAs with specific comment prompts. Instead of what do you think, try drop a fire emoji if you agree or comment A if you want templates. Users don't waste time thinking what to say, driving higher comment volume and algorithm favor. How to implement? Swap generic CTAs for direct prompts. Drop a 1 if coding helps, A if you want templates. Place comment direction at caption end where it's most visible. Test 3 to 5 variations weekly. Track comment rate versus baseline. Use top comments as content ideas for your next posts. Experiment number 6. Adjacent interest content boosts core audience reach. This strategy is all about understanding your audience beyond just your product. Content themed around your target audience's related interests, like if you're targeting a coding audience, create content around tech, design, local events, or learning tools. Boosts reach within the core group. We saw higher saves, shares, link clicks, and repeat interactions compared to standard posts. The key is mapping adjacent interests and mixing them with your core messaging without drifting too far from your brand. How to implement? Map 3 to 5 adjacent interests for your target audience. For example, coding to UI design, hackathons, or GitHub tips. Create 2 to 3 posts weekly, mixing core and adjacent themes. Track engagement metrics. Saves and shares matter more than likes. Maintain 70% core messaging to avoid audience drift. Those were the experiments that delivered real results this month. Now let's zoom out and look at the strategic insights we're tracking across the industry. Insight number 1. BigQuery assisted conversion analysis. The full attribution picture. Think of conversions like a car sales funnel. First touch only credits the billboard that got them in the door, but assisted analysis recognizes the Google retargeting ad that kept them browsing and the Meta brand ad that sealed the test drive. Assisted conversion analysis tracks all sessions before a purchase, flagging where paid traffic, Google, Meta, appeared anywhere in the journey, not just the first visit. It reveals the true multi-touch role of retargeting and brand ads, often showing paid media drives far more influence than first-touch models alone. This is critical for smarter budget decisions. Actionable steps. Build an assisted attribution model in BigQuery to evaluate paid media's role before every purchase. Use it for performance evaluation and budget allocation decisions. Insight number 2. Meta Incremental Attribution. What really caused the sale? Meta's Incremental Attribution tries to answer a simple question. Which conversions happened because of my ads, not just after my ads? It removes would have bought anyway customers, loyal users, direct buyers, so the numbers look smaller than normal attribution, but they're closer to the true lift your ads are actually creating. Concrete example. Standard attribution shows 100 purchases from a campaign. Incremental attribution might say only 40 of those were truly caused by the ads, and the other 60 likely would have happened without seeing them. Because it's conservative, it should support your usual attribution metrics, not replace them, so you keep your existing benchmarks stable. How to use it? Add incremental attribution as a custom or parallel reporting column next to your standard attribution in Meta Ads Manager. Use it to check incrementality and validate performance before scaling budgets or making big optimization calls. Continue reporting day to day on your standard attribution model. Here's a challenge for you. Go check your Meta Ads Manager right now and compare your standard attribution to incremental attribution if you have it enabled. Are the numbers wildly different? Comment what you find. I bet some of you will be surprised. Insight number 3. AI SEO with llms.txt implementation. AI crawlers exhaust token budgets on HTML, missing your actual content. That's where llms.txt comes in. It's a plain text sitemap that guides AI crawlers to your key pages distraction-free. Low risk, high reward for AI search visibility. The best part? You can implement this now on your CMS without over-engineering custom solutions. How to set it up? Implement llms.txt via file upload or 301 redirect on your CMS. List your most important pages for bots like ChatGPT and Perplexity. Insight number 4. Co-Occurrence and authority building in SEO. Links build authority, but co-occurrence builds context. Brands appearing repeatedly alongside competitors in comparisons, best of lists, Reddit threads, reviews, and blogs gain category relevance, even without direct links. AI systems use these relational signals for recommendations. Missing these conversations means invisibility despite strong on-site SEO. How to build co-occurrence. Conversation placement. Get mentioned in competitor comparison articles, buying guides, and Reddit threads. Category clustering. Appear consistently with the same peer brands across review sites and industry lists. Amplify signals. Guest post, Haro responses, and forum contributions where competitors are discussed. Track. Monitor brand mentions alongside competitors monthly. Insight number 5. Meta ad account security. Protect your assets. With the number of Meta ad accounts getting hacked on the rise, we're giving a quick refresh on security insights. To fill security gaps in your Meta ad accounts, implement these 4 key options for layered defenses, preventing unauthorized escalations and ensuring portfolio-wide protection. Actionable steps. Verify and secure your business domain in Business Manager to restrict unauthorized asset access. Limit users by auditing permissions, removing unnecessary invitations, and enforcing role-based restrictions. Enable 2FA, strong unique passwords, and spending anomaly alerts across all accounts. Set strict daily budget caps with automated flags for extreme changes, especially during weekends or holidays. And if anomalies arise, persistence flags issues effectively. We've seen resolutions secured in 45 to 60 days by pausing affected campaigns immediately, gathering evidence, and submitting via Meta support chats with daily follow-ups and polite escalations. WordPress speed optimization. The big 3 fixes. Running a WordPress site, founders often struggle with slow load times that hurt SEO, bounce rates, and sales. Here are the top 3 most common speed issues and simple fixes. Problem number 1. Slow load times. Pages reload everything from scratch every visit, making sites feel sluggish. Simple fix. Use caching to save ready-made page copies worldwide. Repeat visitors see instant loads under 10 milliseconds. Add Cloudflare CDN, free tier works. Install WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache plugin. Enable browser caching in plugin settings. Problem number 2. Unoptimized images. Big photos make pages load forever, especially on mobile. Simple fix. Convert to WebP format, keep images under 100 kilobytes, use tiny SVG icons, and enable smart lazy loading so images load only when scrolled to. Convert images to WebP and compress under 100 kilobytes using ShortPixel or Imagify plugin. Switch icons to SVGs via Perf Matters plugin. Enable lazy loading in WP Rocket. Set fixed sizes on image containers. Problem number 3. Render blocking CSS and JS. Big CSS and JS files block text and images from showing immediately. Simple fix. Load only above fold styles first. Delay the rest. Use WP Rocket's remove unused CSS. Preload fonts and hero image in plugin. Enable delay JavaScript for non-critical scripts. These 3 fixes alone can dramatically improve your site speed and user experience. WordPress users, what's your biggest site speed frustration right now? Images? Plugins? Something else? Drop a comment and let me know. Maybe we'll cover it in detail next month. Tool Spotlight. Kimi 2.5 AI Presentation Tool. We just found Kimi 2.5 online, a new AI from Moonshot AI that's getting buzz for creating presentations super fast. We haven't tried it ourselves yet, but here's what stands out from early info. It turns prompts, notes, or long docs into full slide decks with outlines, bullets, and structure in minutes. 2 modes, visual for 5 to 10 minute quick decks, or adaptive for 30 to 60 minute deeper research and structure. It handles business reviews, pitch decks, client proposals, and exports editable slides. How it works? Paste an idea or doc, pick a mode, and it generates polished slides with talking points and design tips. It's part of their Office suite with docs and sheets too. We'll be testing this soon and sharing our experience. Kling 3.0 Video AI Upgrade. Kling just launched version 3.0, their latest AI video generator making waves for smoother, more realistic clips. The big upgrade is advanced motion control, letting you direct camera moves, object paths, and character actions with precision. Early buzz says it's noticeably better for pro-level videos without crazy editing. Our take? It looks incredibly promising for founders creating explainer videos or social content. We'll test it this month and share hands-on insights next month. Finally, we have some exciting bonus tips for you. Number 1, unlock AI search prompts in Google Search Console. Here's something powerful that most marketers are missing. Google Search Console now reveals AI-generated search prompts via long-tail queries, 10 words or more, that mimic conversational AI overviews. This helps you track precise user intent and spot emerging trends without relying on guesswork. Step-by-step setup. Access GSC Performance Report. Select search queries. Apply a custom regex filter, essentially capturing those long, complex strings. This pulls queries like best itinerary for a family trip to Yellowstone National Park including hiking trails and kid-friendly activities. Analyze and apply. Export results and feed into Claude or Gemini to extract themes, things like PR concerns, competitor pricing, or specific pain points. Create monitoring prompts for tools like Profound or Ahrefs to track performance. Use these insights for video scripts, ad copy, or SEO strategies. Why it boosts marketing? You're tailoring campaigns to real AI-driven searches, improving relevance for education, consulting, or healthcare niches you target. Test this in your next Meta or Google Ads experiment for higher engagement. Bonus tip number 2, track AI prompts in Bing Webmaster Tools. Bing just launched something game-changing. In February 2026, Bing Webmaster Tools introduced its AI performance dashboard, offering direct visibility into Copilot citations and grounding queries, the exact AI-generated prompts retrieving your content. Quick setup steps. Verify your site. It's free and takes under 10 minutes. Navigate to AI performance in Bing Webmaster Tools. Review metrics like total citations, average cited pages, and grounding queries. You'll see queries like Project Management Software Remote Collaboration Features Comparison 2026. Export these queries for analysis. Marketing Power Move. Feed grounding queries into Claude or Gemini to spot intent gaps. Then optimize for education or consulting niches. Perfect for refining your video campaigns and ad strategies. This is early stage visibility into how AI is actually finding and citing your content. If you're not tracking this yet, you're missing a huge opportunity. That's a wrap for episode 3 of Marketing Experiments That Actually Work. This month was packed. From cutting CPA in half with negative keywords, to 17 times ROAS with competitor targeting, to some smart social media hacks you can implement today. If something here helped, or you're going to try one of these experiments, drop us a comment. Got something you want us to test next month? We'll run the experiment and share it right here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and check the blog link below for deeper breakdowns and resources. Until next month, keep testing, keep learning, and keep growing.